We did this modern organic entryway table. And so on the opposite side is my formal area. So when you walk into the door, you are seeing my entryway table and my whole entire formal area. Instead of getting new furniture, which we don't have the money for, by wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding, it is established. Through knowledge, its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. Proverbs 24, verse 3 through 4. We are going to make this place a little warmer. The old look back here looked a little bit on the cool side. It was very airy, very much a cool tone. And I wanted to do a little bit more with it. Not only that, but I don't like an area to be one way for too long. Plus, it's a chance for me to create, to have fun with the decor, kind of switching spots, swapping, moving things around. Instead of replacing everything, I'm gonna start to layer in some warmer textures. We're not gonna do like a whole entire reset. Well, we kind of are. A little bit. We might keep an item or two, but this is gonna look completely different. I'm gonna show you that I don't care how small your space is, how big your space is. You can literally make over your space with just decor and make it look completely different using things that won't break the bank. You can afford everything that I'm going to use here today. For those of you that love the Moody look, we're gonna bring the lights down just a notch, because if you don't know, lighting is everything with the look. And we are going to bring a more organic concept to the look. We still need to do a lot of hard resets around here. We're not going to talk about that because that has been something that I've been wanting to do for a while. But enough talking, let's get to decorating. This is the look that we started with, and I got tired of it. It's not terrible. Do not ask me what I was thinking when I did those florals. I'm going to just say it's not the worst ever that I have created, but it's time to come down. First, I'm starting with a little DIY bowl that I created last fall. Then the candles, and you guys already know the deal. Then the RH catalogs and the Gabrielle Chanel home decor book. So we're gonna take this away. Who knows, maybe we'll put it back. And then the pink floral moment. We are undecorating with the pink floral moment. And the amber vase, which I absolutely love. I thought to do a DIY with it, but nah. Layering the darker artwork in front of the original artwork that's on the wall added so much more depth. And to be honest with you, I think that's what was missing before. We definitely needed to get some contrast in the space. The room needed some darker grounding pieces. It just helped to balance out all of the white light tones. You guys know I love white and light, but adding some dark depth sometimes works perfectly. I am always trying to cover up that little electric box. I can't even remember what it's for. It might be for the internet or something. So you guys tell me, should I move this picture frame over a little bit? I think where I put it was the perfect position. Unfortunately, the box is going to show. But if you guys have any ideas for how we can fix this problem, maybe doing the white wall in that space. I really am tired of the blue walls. But when will we actually get the walls painted is the big question. I love flipping through my decor books. This one has the shinier finishes that are currently trending, and just a lot of geometric shapes that are used to decorate with. I love looking through my decor books. It's like another form of looking at a Pinterest board or getting your inspiration from online sources. But they're right there. They're in your living room. You don't need the electricity to do it. You just kick back, open up a book and browse, and you get so many great ideas from these decor books. Don't let them sit and collect dust and look pretty as decor books. Use them, look at them, inspire yourself from them. They cost money and we don't want to waste anything. We want to use everything that we have. And of course, you guys know the RH books. They are FREE, which is definitely a good thing because they look good. I believe this one is like a 20,000 and 20,000. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. 2003. There is no shame in my game. I use them everywhere. I'm just going to do a little swippy swappy here. As I mentioned, I love to move things around. So this bowl that was on the credenza side is one that I DIY'd for fall last year. I love it. I don't know why, but off the top, I just can't remember where I got this one. It might have been Ross. I'm thinking it's like Ross or something. One of those rare finds at Ross, probably. How are we looking so far? What do you guys think? Listen, if you guys ever have suggestions for me on decorating or something that you think I should try, please let me know in the comments. I so want to interact with you guys and know what you guys are thinking when you guys are watching the video. So come on, work with me. Next up, we are using the balls, the topiary balls. Yet another DIY that I created last fall. I actually did it with the bowl. Not this bowl, but the one that I put on the other side where the TV stand is. So yeah, those two I absolutely love because I refinished them with my own hands and the cost was so minimal. I will actually link the video in the box below, the description box, so you guys can go back and look at it if you are interested in creating your own variation. What I did here was I tied a plastic bag, like a garbage bag, to the bottom of the florals because the reason why I did this is because I want to be able to pull everything back out. I don't want the plastic bag to go to the bottom of the vase, and it kind of helps to anchor the florals a little bit when I do it the way how I did it. I know it kind of looks weird, but I know what I'm talking about. So the stems would actually fall down further, but the way how I wrap the bag up, it kind of makes it stop. And here I'm going to take these floral stems that are so much shorter than the vase. Girl, listen, you don't have money to be spending on things that you don't need to spend on. You have money to be spending on things that are worth it. So why am I going to spend the extra money on extra long stem florals for this vase? We have to work with these projects accordingly. Make them work. So as you can see, we have now created a layer of warmer textures, a little bit of moodier tones for those of you that love the moody things in life. Okay, now for one of the stars of the show, I'm gonna add one more comfy layer. This package is from Amazon. It is actually another Pure Cozy rug. This is not a promo, just an FYI. It is not a promo, okay? I'm just telling you the truth about what I felt gave value to me in my home. The previous rug that we got from Pure Cozy, which was gifted, this one is not a gifted rug, okay? This rug, I had to do it again. I had to do it again because it is exactly what the name says it is. The rugs are pure cozy. And this
feels real nice.
This is not a promotion or anything.
No, it feels really good.
We just had to buy another one because it was so good.
Yeah.
So this was not a gifted carpet. The other one was, but this one is not gifted.
It feels real good on your feet.
And the craziest part is all of the furniture stayed exactly the same, but look at the difference in the look. The cabinet stayed, the lamp stayed, and all of the shelving stayed in place. Okay, my cozy besties, did I get it right this time? Let me know in the comments below. If you were inspired by this video, you got any ideas, or you just simply enjoyed it, please don't forget to like the video. And we're not done yet, so stay there. Don't go anywhere. But you guys know what else you need to do. Okay, let's continue. So all that we needed to fix really was the styling and the light. So the lighting makes such a big difference to make it just a little bit moodier. For me, this candle is perfect for summer. You can't do a space without the candles, girls. You can't. Well, you can, but you know what I mean. It just makes it feel so much cozier. And then if it's a scent you like, it's like eating all day long. This exquisite piece of art was a Hobby Lobby find earlier on in the spring. I thought this is perfect for spring and summer. I almost forgot that I had it. It was buried in my guest room closet. I am so happy that I went digging. This was not actually the original piece that I was going to use, but when I saw this, I was like, bingo, this is what we're going to use. It worked out to be perfect. The only thing I need is art lighting at this point, and we're going to work on that. While I go ahead and readjust these balls just a little bit, let's look at how everything turned out. Let me give you a rundown. Per my opinion, you guys let me know what you guys think, but I think the final look feels warm and modern, organic for sure. It feels almost like an evening retreat. It's layered, calming, and quietly luxurious. The room has a completely different emotional presence from the original setup. Before, the space felt a little bit cooler and airy, lightly transitional, but now the lighting is earthy with textures. It's layered with styling that creates a moodier design inspired atmosphere that definitely instantly feels more elevated and intentional than the previous look. The oversized clay-toned vase became the anchor of the entire transformation. Its aged texture is bringing the warmth and the depth into the room, while the asymmetrical floral arrangement softens the space in a very organic way. So this creamy look of the hydrangeas feel lush and very romantic, while the olive and eucalyptus mix, did I say that right? Eucalyptus mix Definitely extend outward with movement, making the arrangement feel collected rather than overly styled. This is something I've been wanting to learn to do for a very long time. I told myself last year that I would work on actual real arrangements. So let's see where that goal reaches this year. Maybe we'll get our hands in it. Layering the artwork completely changed the energy of the whole entire wall, keeping it lush, and the abstract piece in the background preserved the softness and the openness of the room, while the darker meadow painting leaning in the front added the contrast, grounding, and dimension that we needed. So together they're creating an editorial layered look that you normally see in designer homes and boutique resort. I absolutely love how this room feels now. Nothing major was replaced. The lighting, layering, earthy textures, and the softer selling completely changed everything in the space, especially the mood. And it feels cozy. It feels lived in without losing that clean modern look. It definitely is proof that sometimes you don't need a whole new room, just a new vision for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys know that I love you guys. You guys stay safe, continue to be blessed, and we will see you guys in the next one. Ta-ta. I will see you guys later. Bye.